these psychological ways to make your partner never stop thinking about you. In case I use him or her, pardon me, I still refer to both sex. Number 1, always look attractive and use a constant perfume. Neurophysiologically, that scent will never leave our olfactory pathway in the brain. 2, study your partner, know her needs, and buy something lasting that she can see every day, maybe like a frame or a wristwatch, or just think about it. 3, create a lasting emotional connection whenever you meet by making eye contact and holding hands. Psychologically, you are creating a recurring memory that keeps ringing in your partner's head even when you are not together. 4, before your date gets boring, leave her wanting more. Propose to leave for something very urgent and then be sorry and promise to make it up with her. 5, don't be too available every day, but keep up the lovely chats daily. 6, don't be too predictable. It's all about surprises. Keep his mouth open all the time. 7, gain success and achievement within his visual scope. Lastly, have a cool stuff to post on your status about yourself, maybe your facial expression or your charisma, and then your partner will be like, oh. Please share this video to your friend that needs it, and then follow me for more psycho tips. Stay healthy and remain flashwired. Bye bye.